On today's video, we're working on the VI Engineering 1000 horsepower rated intercooler. Personally, I came up with the design process of reducing the amount of couplers to only one on each side. I did this because I desired the shortest route of piping to reduce the turbo lag and the chances of a coupler blowing off. The way Nick wanted to go about doing this was cutting pie cuts for the bends because we couldn't achieve a tight enough bend without doing so. We tried to put the intercooler where the radiator would sit in the E36, that way we could have as much room in the engine bay as possible. For mounting the intercooler, we welded tabs to the bottom of the intercooler that attached to the frame rails with rip nuts. We went this route for easy removal of the intercooler if needed.